How much experience did you have before you started your training?
My skills weren't sharp at first, definitely not. A lot of questions, just did not know where anything was on the computer program at all.
What was it like to have licensed architects and engineers teaching your courses?
The teachers here know how to guide me and get me back into industry standard software and to be able to do the programs and then excel at the pace I needed to get my certificates.
Why is it important to train at an established, accredited institution?
The employers I'm applying to require certification in some of these programs here at the Virtual Design and Construction Institute.
Why do you think career education is important in your industry?
Computers are growing, so we got to stay on top of it, and as the applications keep moving forward with their advancements, it's important for us to keep on top of it so we can continue to be gainfully employed.